guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a tutorial, a hair tutorial, my first one. I am not a wizard at doing hair. I'm not even that good at it. This is basically what you get from me every day. But since I cut my hair and it's shorter and it's like an angled bob, I thought it'd be really cute to try and curl it. So I did that a couple weeks ago. Loved how it turned out. I didn't do like super tight curls. Basically, I just did like beachy waves. So that is what the tutorial is gonna be for today, how to get beachy waves with shorter hair. So basically, all you're going to need is a curling iron. So I have this one that I got on Amazon. If I can find it, I'll link it below because I really do love it. So it's just a curling wand and it comes with a little glove. Excuse my glove, it's a little dirty, but it comes with a glove too, so you don't burn your hand. You need a hairbrush, and this is a wet brush. And I have some mousse, and this is like a smoothing serum. And I'll also use some hairspray afterwards once we're done. So let's get into the tutorial. So one tip that I'll give, well, I'll give you a few tips obviously, but one of the tips I'll give is to section off your hair. So I'm just gonna brush through my hair really quick because I probably haven't even brushed it like all day long. So this is usually how I part my hair, so I'm gonna put half of it up. There we go. This ugly little bun on my head. Okay, so I got my glove on. I'm gonna start on this side of my hair. Take a piece from the very back, and since it's short, just wrap as much as you can around it. It's really difficult. I had to like really squeeze it and leave a little bit out at the end. See, back here I can basically only get one wrap around. And you got a little wave, so that's what I do for the back. As you get closer to the front of your hair, you want to wrap it like this, like literally twist it around the curling iron. Don't wrap it so you get an exact curl. You just want it to wave. You just want it to be a wave. There, just a little wave. Okay, so now with these strands in the front, I'm gonna do opposites. So I'll do one strand this way and one strand that way, and that's gonna give your hair texture. So I'm gonna go this way first. See that? And then it just is like a wave, light wave. So now the next front piece I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wrap it the other way. So last time I can't even think. I went like this, so now I'm gonna go like this, opposite direction. And there you go. And now this time I'm gonna go back the other way. I can't even think of what I did this way. And see how I'm just wrapping it directly around? So it's like curling, but not like in a tight curl, like how you would do if you had like longer hair and you wanted tighter curl. You could do tight curls on short hair too, but makes me look like a poodle. And just leave a little bit of the end out and release it. There you go. Got waves on one side, now we can do the other side. These back short hairs are literally the worst. Ugh. I can't even wrap it a second time. That's literally all I can do because it's so short. That's okay though. You definitely want fuller texture in the front, and in the back, a little bit wavy is okay. Okay, now this last piece, I'm going to curl away from my face. I always get so confused. No. I think that's a way. All right, so first set of waves are done. I'm gonna take down the top half, and that's what we're gonna do next. This one I'm curling away from my face because it's the last piece on the end. And then just check to see if you missed anything. I think I missed a few pieces of hair. Just run your fingers through your hair a little bit. And you can always go back and touch it up if it's not quite as wavy as you want it to be. Then this one you do opposite. This last piece right here, you'd want to do away from your face because you don't want the curl curling into your face. You can go as high as you want or as low as you want with the curl, so it just depends on your preference. I kind of went a little high. And there you go, just like a little wave like that. See, now this side and this side, a little different. So I think I'm going to do this one a little bit more, give it a little bit more texture, even though it does look really nice that way too, but a little more bounce. So I just basically grab a few strands and just do it again so it gives a little texture to the hair. Yeah. Turn my my fingers through my hair, a little over here, a little over there. Okay, so see how this is like wavy. There's not really curls in my hair. It's just wavy. The back is wavy. Ugh, I'm eating it. Okay, that's basically what it looks like. Now you can leave it like this. My hair doesn't hold curls very well. It's just really like fine and whatever, so I have to use mousse. This is the mousse that I am using. I know I'm gonna butcher this. This is the mousse. It's basically just like a little foamy foam. So I just put quite a bit in my hand. I have to do this over and over. And I kind of just press it into the curls, and it gives it like a longer lasting effect. And I also like that it looks kind of dewy. Your hair doesn't look super dry and that kind of thing. It looks like it's like a wet look. That's the right word. It gives your hair like that wet, look at that. See, I love that kind of look. And for me, it gives it like the look I want, but it also is gonna hold my curls longer, which is important. Just crunch your hair. And I like the more like messy beach waves kind of look too. Doesn't have to be perfect. All right, and then I just take my Tresemme hairspray. This is the 2-spray freeze hold on like level 5. It's pretty serious. So my husband uses, so I just steal his. And I just go ahead, I'm not gonna talk when I do this. You can put a lot or a little depending on your hair type. I kind of need a lot. So, there you have it. That is my beach waves for short hair tutorial. It's super easy. You can even make it more curly than this, but I really wanted like just the wavy look, not so much curly. So that is my tutorial, guys. What do you think? I love my hair like this. I really do. I would wear it like this all the time if I could, but in the mornings I'm just rushing, no time to do that. So, but on the weekends, I love to do it. So I hope you guys love my hair tutorial. Please let me know what you think down in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Thanks for watching.